What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So I just want to share with you a redemption. We talk about redemption when selling a house. Yeah, the lawyer will request a redemption statement. Another one that the lawyer will also request together with the redemption statement is the surplus form. Surplus form here means that if there's any extra from the sale of your house or your property, the bank will refund it back to you to the account of your choosing. It doesn't mean that you need to put in back the same bank that you have your loans with, yeah. Okay, so today I want to show you what you need to do after you get that surplus form, because and how it looks like. Of course I blank the details. Okay, let's just look at it. So in this redemption statement here, they will have your name and account number lah. Okay, actually it's name here only lah. So you have these two letters. One is your redemption statement, one is surplus refund. Redemption statements, I will show you, will have the balance loan amount, exact balance loan amount for 3 months. It's usually valid for 3 months. Okay, so you need to visit any branch. This one no need, because once your lawyer requests, they will give the redemption statement also surplus form to your lawyer. Your lawyer will then pass it to you to fill in. Okay, make sure the details are correct lah. So please complete and return the same branch. No need, you return back to your lawyer candy. This part here, you need to take note. If the payment is received before 15th of the month, CCRIS will be updated on the following month. Okay, for example, if the payment is received on the May 10th, the CCRIS report will updated information in June. If the payment is received after 15th of the month, CCRIS will updated 2 months later. For example, if payment received on May 20th, the updated information will reflect in CCRIS in July. So should you need to update CCRIS urgently, please call the contact center. The number is available at the back of your card, as well as the published contact us page on our website. You may also opt to visit any branch. Okay, let's talk about if you need to update your CCRIS urgently. Please do not call the lawyer or do not call your banker to do it. Please call the contact center and make sure these contact center numbers you get from the website, the actual website. For some cases in the banks, most banks nowadays, you can actually from the app, you can chat with them. So chat with them in the app. Okay, in the app. In the event your account closed already and you got no savings account, nothing, then you can give them a call or give them an email. Call better lah, faster. Then they will issue to you the CCRIS, the letter that's saying that it's cleared already. Okay, there are cases where you need to do this, because I've seen some cases where you sell your second house, okay, then you want to buy a third house, but your CCRIS never removed yet so bank will not give you the 90%, the bank will give you only 70%. So in this case, for the bank to approve 90%, you cannot tell the bank, oh, you approve for conditional approval. Most banks don't do this anymore. Okay, don't do this anymore. You clear it first. Get the letter, submit together to the bank. Okay, that is your responsibility. Then once it's approved, then yes, they'll give you 90% on condition that before they disburse, they will check your CCRIS again to make sure that you have cleared the housing loan and then disburse the full 90%. If not, they'll hold until you give them the letter. And any late payment interest is on you as the borrower. The onus is on you as a borrower to make sure that you comply with the central bank ruling of 2 housing loans. The first under one name is 90%, the third is 70%. Okay, I've seen cases this one happening for my own self. Okay, where the person actually sell the house, then bought under construction property. Under construction property, the property is already about 60% complete. So disbursement very fast, right? So the lawyer actually did the work, and as usual, things are getting delayed and all this. When the person actually get the discharge letter from the bank, you know how much late payment interest need to pay when they collect the keys? 20,000 late payment interest. The bank will not disburse unless and until you provide me the letter, the proof. I will not disburse. So you cannot blame the bank. You cannot blame the banker also. Okay, so the onus is on you. For my case, let's go back to this part here. For my case, the money was disbursed after 15, so it's on February, actually end of February. So I've recently just checked. Now February, if it's February, then March and April, right? So after 15th of April, I can check. So I recently just checked my CCRIS. The housing loan has removed already. So I only got one more left lah. Okay? So make sure, this one is very important. Make sure after you sell your house or sell any property, or make sure you check your CCRIS. Let's just say you cancel your credit card or what, check your CCRIS. Nowadays, CCRIS is free. You can just register e-CCRIS and check. So please do so, okay? Please do not come back later and say, oh, so much down later, and then start complaining to the bank why you didn't remove for my CCRIS. The banks will not be responsible for that unless you update them. So please make sure that you actually check your CCRIS for every transaction that you do with the bank to cancel the facility. Okay? For example, you sell your house, so you cancel the CCRIS, you take it down. You settle your personal loan. You cut your credit card. Pay off, you cut your credit card. Make sure you check your CCRIS. Anything credit facility that you take the bank or non-bank that is your CCRIS, make sure you check your CCRIS and make sure your CCRIS is always updated. Okay? It's easier for you next time you want to take a loan or anything like that. So I think that's all. It's a very short video today. I hope it's benefits you. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So if there's anything else that you want to know, want to ask, I would appreciate you leave comments down below. And if you want to check out what property I have for sale, just click the link down below. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.